guys, how's it going? I haven't been posting any video for a long time. I know you guys bukan macam tunggu bila nak buat video, but you guys still here. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to do this very simple look for everyday use without falsies. So we're gonna go extra vavoom on the lashes, like on the mascara. Really minimal eye makeup sebab I nak bagi lashes tu nampak, you know, like, lashes. To all my broke girlfriends out there, this is your video because I am just going to be using drugstore makeup and some pretty affordable stuffs like Colourpop. So without wasting any more time, and if you're still here, let's get to it. I don't have any drugstore primer. I believe the Maybelline Baby Skin is similar to Professional, so I'm just gonna use that on my face. I'm just gonna cover the holes on my cheeks. Take care of your skin, otherwise you'll end up like mine. Up close, kalau I tunjuk sekolah macam biasa lah tak jaga kulit daripada sekolah rendah. I mean like, sekolah rendah I mean terjenam. Because I've been told don't use any cleanser, this and that, because it will ruin your skin. Skin is still delicate, but no. I think bila dah start period ke apa dah boleh kot pakai. So for today's foundation, I'm going to be using my Bourjois Healthy Mix Foundation. Okay, for this tutorial, I'm going to be really focusing on the skin and really makes the skin look good. Okay, now that that's done, I'm going to be using my Bourjois Healthy Mix Concealer. Because of my dry skin, you have to blend it out cepat-cepat. So I'm gonna be using the Maybelline Fit Me Powder. Just gonna set everything. Well, I just got this brush from Shopee, because I mean I know some of the local brands punya brush pun pretty expensive actually. I got 2 sets of brush just for 50 ringgit. So one set is probably around 25. And the quality is so like dia tak macam very China. You know what I mean? No shade to China, but sini aku tunjuk. See? I don't know how a good brush should perform like, because I pakai cheap brush pun jadi. I mean the quality, the shape, the softness, memang it's really good. They really did their thing. They study what they're gonna make. I mean before this, brushes yang very China ni, macam ada 5 or 6 eyeshadow brushes. But they're all macam applicated. Tak ada blending brush, tak ada yang that small edges. Kalau macam ni, dia ada blending brush, ada powder brush. I hope you guys know what I'm talking about. These ones, I bought it just purely for decoration. Because my room is purple and gold and shit. I'll put the link in the description box. I can't say that enough that it's good, but it's really good. Have I mentioned that it's good? No? It's really good. Okay, next, those of you who have been here since day 1 must have known that I love this thing. And I'm gonna use it again because it's only, kalau kau buat harga sini pun tak sampai RM20 kot, I think. But I take my nose contouring serious. Macam I tak ada nak pakai blending brush for my nose contour. This is my way lah. Kalau I pakai brush macam ni, dia ada precision. Then, what I do when I contour my nose, I like to go here. Apply some here. Untuk tak bagi nampak macam hidung tu kembang ke atas. Faham ke? So I'm adding shadow here. Oh, I also tak suka letak macam that line over there. Because my nose is already short, in my opinion. Short. So, kalau I buat macam tu, dia akan lagi shorten it. Unless, kalau I buat line tu bawah sikit. So, nampak macam the point is down here. You know what I mean? You know that? You get that? Right. And then I just blend it out macam ni. Nampak tak? Nampak tak? That's nose job right there. So, ini tak blended lagi. But don't worry, I'll blend it out. Do y'all see that? I just added definition. Next, I'm going to take this brush. This is actually a bronzer. Back in the days, I always use this for contour. Kalau korang tengok video I daripada awal, memang I pakai ni je dulu. Look at it. I've seen a lot of misconception on where the line should go. I've been following a lot of like special effects makeup artists, and a lot of them seem to be carrying the line down here. Because if you can see, our skull macam ni, hollow dia macam ni. Kalau korang buat macam ni, dia orang kata jadi lagi tembam. So whatever's left on the brush, baru I buat yang. So after that, I'm gonna draw on my brows, and I'll be using this product right here. It's quite good. Tak tahu lah quite good ke. I tak reti lah review ni, but it does hold my brows in place lah. It does that. It does what it's supposed to do. So I'm gonna give A+ for you. I should start wrapping. Nama colour dia black. Good. Yeah. But it's basically macam grey lah. I'm gonna pick the product on my eyebrow punya brush. That's really black. Okay, a little goes a long way. Serius, sikit gila I made. So I guess it's a good product. I bought this at IOI punya Watsons. The price was 80 ringgit. It's pretty damn expensive for a drugstore product. Tapi bila I tengok I pakai sikit macam ni pun dah memang hitam gila. Oh, this brow brush is from Colourpop. It's damn good and cheap. The brand is Karadium. Next, we're gonna do our eyes. And I will put concealer. This is Colourpop punya single shadow in the shade Pretty Cruel. And then I have these Catrice highlighting eyeshadow. It's really good. Love this. And then the same color, I'm gonna apply some here. Just to add that glossy moment. Some definition, humors. Lepas tu, bawah tu, just take the bronzer from earlier. And that one, skip. Okay, and then take some of that highlighter again and put it here. Ta-da! Eye makeup done. Next, I'm gonna be using this mascara. It's really good. This is the Voluminous Lash Paradise from L'Oreal. The girls were like really fast. Masuk Malaysia je, semua kedai sold out. I already have the line. Bulu mata I quite panjang. So, I tak suka bulu mata yang memanjangkan lagi. What I look for in mascaras are those yang voluminous kan. And usually kita tengok dia punya wand. Selalu kalau wand yang macam ni, just rabut ni. Oh guys, selalu kalau wand yang macam ni, dia akan apa namanya? Oh, tak boleh cakap ya. Selalu kalau wand yang macam ni, dia akan buat macam lagi lebat lah. Lebat is what I want sebab bulu mata I tak lebat sangat. Another tip, kalau nak pakai mascara ni, I recommend ambil uduk dari rumah and jangan kentut. Bawa oil makeup remover because it's really hard to get off. Oh, if you guys are wondering, ni palette apa? This is an empty palette from Tarte. And then dalam I letak Colourpop punya eyeshadow je. Just like RM10 ke satu. Yeah, around that. RM10-11 lah. I don't know what this is, but I use it to separate my lashes. So I'm gonna do that. Still, I'm gonna try this. I just got this in the mail. And I heard it's really pigmented, so I'm gonna try now. Ah! Bad mistake, okay. Really, really pigmented. On the nose, sikit je. This cheek though. Oh, there you go. For my lips today, I'm gonna mix Colourpop Ultra Matte in Knotty and, oh my god, Silkygirl Powder Matte. Oh! Nice lah, Silkygirl. I overdid my blush. I underestimated the Velvet Vanity Glow with the Flow. Oh, I got this for RM22 and I think it's only for limited time that it's 50% off. The price is actually for 45 good. Yeah, kind of like how today's makeup look. Do you like it? Yes. Can't say no. Oh, highlighter! Damn! I almost forgot. By the way, I'm still using the same thing. I'm gonna buy a new one. It's really good. So good. This is not a minimum makeup look. You can wear this every day for everyday makeup. This is actually my New Year's resolution to post a video every 2 weeks. But then a lot of things came up, like okay guys, see you guys in my next video.